Getting the beef flavor because, you know, everybody tends to have beef with us.
There's smaller watermelons.
Subscribe to ZL1.
I should not have one already today. Oh!
I'm capping her.
It told me to service my rear axle. Again.
Nice.
ZL1, pedaling, throttle. Hit the gas through the dash when the cops come. Supercharged with a rap that they flock to. No more words, you can race if you want to. Take off at the red light, leave the dust on them. Tail lights, pass the demon in the night on them. Real loud, no sneaking like a lion on them. Big roar when I let the gear slide on them.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we are vlogging yet again. It's been a while. I haven't picked up this camera in like a minute. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a while. But yeah, I just wanted to record something. So like, we're just gonna go out and film today. Have some fun. Got some crazy video ideas that I'm hoping to get knocked out today. Hopefully we don't get in too much trouble. But honestly, who knows? Anyways, I think they're gonna be so sick. Hopefully they come out as planned. And yeah, hopefully the car is okay from all the content, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully, I know y'all are going to enjoy it because I'm super hyped to make them. They're very out of the way from what I usually do, and I think y'all enjoy it. Also, I'm underneath the car. Don't mind that. I'll explain in a second. But nonetheless, that's what we got to do today. So yeah, we got plenty of daylight, so let's just have some fun today. So like I mentioned, I'm underneath the car, as y'all can see. I was trying to diagnose an issue that is going on somewhere around this area, where I will insert the clip of it right here. Yeah, I think that's gonna be it for my troubleshooting out here and my diagnosing. But I'm about to go meet up with some homies to get the videos that I mentioned up earlier today, or earlier in the video. Get those videos ready to go. Like I said, they are pretty far-fetched, very out of the line from what I usually do. But I think y'all are going to enjoy them. I'm super hyped to do it. Fingers crossed the ZL1 doesn't get messed up from either one of the videos. All right, boys, we've made it out. ZL1, EcoBoost, V, and Challenger. We just got out of Target. We went ahead and bought all the essentials. I'll put the video in right here.
All right, let's go get some. We got the watermelons.
There's smaller watermelons.
Once I get to the point on YouTube where I can do this, it'll feel more comfortable. But like, I'm just not there yet. I mean, Elite Chopper went into Target and had a Nerf gun, or inside Target, and like, he wasn't being pressed too hard. But he is also an Elite Chopper.
He was being pressed.
Well, after like a good amount of time, they were just letting him do his thing for a while.
They're $1.79 for some Zephyr Hills distilled water, or $1.19 for the Good and Gather.
Make sure you get the great value one. Is this enough?
Why would you get purified?
That is definitely enough.
Distilled.
Because I want to drink it.
Distilled? What the fuck are you talking about?
You can drink distilled water?
Yes.
Alright, ramen. Where would it ramen?
That's probably gonna be.
Where's the broke section?
Oh yeah, we got it.
Oh, awesome, man. Thank you. I appreciate
Soup
it.
and packaged
Yeah, we're
dinners.
doing.
Got it.
Perfect.
Dude, $1.49 for all this?
Why don't you get the whole thing? The Super 6 bag.
This was only 29 cents.
Oh.
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
What else do we need? Pot.
Pot
Oh,
and a ladle. That's not a pot. That's a drip bowl for a stove, jackass.
Hey, how y'all doing? Oh my goodness. You don't need to take them out. Is it the smaller one or the big one too?
We have one small one, one mini one.
Okay. You want me to leave this out?
Yes.
What y'all doing with that? Not your TikTok?
No, not TikTok. We don't watch that.
It'll just be this. That'll be separate.
That will be separate, okay. So what's the challenge?
I'm gonna cook ramen on my engine.
On your what?
On the engine. Car engine.
Car engine?
Yeah.
Well, just get it any hotter, just put it on the top of it there. You can do an egg on that.
Oh, thank you. I needed that. $1 in quarters. Anyways, we got all the essentials. We didn't get kicked out, thank God, because my girl said we'd probably get kicked out for filming, but we didn't use the camera. We used the phone camera because I got scared, so we went ahead and used the phone camera. Went like a breeze. Got 7 watermelons, so that one's good to go. And yeah, so we're gonna make the first video out here, which will be a separate video from this, and then we'll head over to the spot to do the watermelon. So we'll just head straight over there after this. Uber from ZL1. Oh, bet. Yes. I'm very terrified, I will not lie to you. Oh God. Why are we going one direction? Okay. Oh God. Oh God, yeah. Alright. I don't know why we did that. Now we gotta walk all the way back to the cars. But see, we always return your carts. That's a good PSA. Don't leave y'all's damn carts out here in the lanes. Don't be a dick. Return the carts, even if you're in them.
We're law-abiding citizens.
That's some good etiquette, if you will.
I should not have worn a hoodie today. This was not a good idea.
Stay hydrated. It's very hot here.
I'm wearing hoodie. Refreshing.
Oh, there's some fire coming out. Oh, it's hot. Alright boys, we're currently still making the ramen video. You know, just chilling. Like I said, I dropped a little sneak peek so y'all get a little sneak peek, but not too much. Boy, it's so hot out here, man. It kind of sucks. The engine's not as hot as it needs to be, surprisingly. It doesn't want to heat soak whenever I actually need it to heat soak, but oh well. I mean, we're just out here vibing. It's working, so I will tell y'all that. So that's progress. But yeah, hopefully we get this done, and then we'll go knock out the watermelons. And yeah, see what else we can get into. I don't know. I don't really know. You
Gotta flex the cash.
damn, bro. What y'all know about that? 40 mil? Y'all don't know nothing about that. What y'all know about the phone without the case, my boy?
I don't rock cases. I ain't getting.
Look at that. Sheesh. I can't even kick the motherfucker. Dude, my luck, I would kick it.
That was kind of close.
Oh my God. God damn. Yo, that costs money, bro. That shit costs money.
I got it, damn. Damn, that was I bought these shawls on.
These motherfuckers are gonna get mad at us.
Did you see the video of that one girl drinking?
Oh!
It was like
Sheesh!
chip or two.
Just got like a hard.
Hey yo, what you got there, my hey dude? Hey bro.
Don't worry about it, bro.
Hey bro, what you got there? You got that strap, my dude?
Nah, don't worry about it.
Bro, we need to do the thing
Hey,
that we were doing the other
that
night.
white girl right there, the blonde, she's about to get clapped. Watch this shit.
Okay.
I'm capping her right now.
Okay.
Your ass would have been dead. Your car would have gotten keyed. 100%. Would have gotten keyed.
Get the bullet, get the bullet.
You would have spent $100 and something thousand on a car for no damn reason.
In the ramen?
Hey yo, watch the watermelon, that bitch might burst.
Don't worry about the watermelon.
Poor Walter.
Alright, we have made it away from the ramen spot over at Target. and now we're at the disclosed location where we tend to do a lot of our hood ratchery, if you will. And gotta set up these watermelons. Don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. We got all the boys out. All the homies are pulling up to watch me possibly fuck up my car.
Ain't no possibly to it, my boy.
Oh yeah, when I did that donut, it told me to service my rear axle.
I think you about to smack your side skirt and destroy it.
I do too, bro. I'm not.
Wait,
even
are you gonna do
front. Yeah.
I bet.
I'll try it, and if it's so bad, you're just gonna hop in it and fuck it up. I don't give a fuck.
I can do it. No. Hey, you see that tire mark over there? That's fun.
Wow. You see that V over there?
Yeah.
That's my friend's.
Can
Yeah.
I bite off
I need to
no.
for my professional race car driver's license before I
Shut your NHRA.
I gotta back up to the top.
He's about to do the slide. He just got a lobotomy. Would anybody like a taste? This one came out of Paul's head.
Oh no.
it tastes like burnt rubber.
Nice.
That was good.
That came straight out of the middle of his head.
You Paul?
It's that rear axle.
That's tough.
All right, who's fighting their car to hit me?
Not me. Fuck that. Do I hear sirens? So there was a lot of sirens, and we all kind of just hopped in our cars and took the fuck off. I'm still stuck with Brian's camera, and I have no idea what's next.
Obviously, it's a different day, boys. It's been like 2 weeks since that last clip. I haven't done much. Just got the ramen video out last week, and today this video is actually going out. So hopefully, as long as I get it up in time, I'm actually headed to the beach. So I gotta start getting the video exported and this little outro or whatever. But yeah, y'all saw the vlog of the ramen day, and then the vlog for the next video that's going to come out, which should be next week or maybe a week after. I'm not entirely too sure yet. And yeah, y'all saw we cooked ramen on the blower. We did some stuff with watermelons, which y'all can find out for sure what we do next week on the upload. But yeah, anyways, the rear axle kind of took an exit, if you will. Not entirely, it's still working. So anyways, more on that on the next video. Y'all will know everything for a fact, but just if y'all made it this far, y'all deserve to know. ZL1 did indeed take a little bit of a hit. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video that it could have had an issue with one of the videos, so I guess it did, man. It's nothing too crazy though. We'll get it fixed. Not a problem. But if y'all enjoyed the video, the little vlog, if y'all are enjoying the vlogs, because I personally enjoy doing them. It's my favorite video to do, just because it's true and genuine, like what we do every day. It's so fun to me, just like having the camera there and just recording all like our day-to-day stuff. It's gonna be funny to look at like years down the line. Anyways, if y'all enjoy it, be sure to leave a like down below. Be sure to comment down below if you are enjoying the vlogs, if y'all enjoying this type of style, with the content and stuff like that. Be sure to let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, hit those bell notifications, follow me on all socials, by the way. Y'all need to start doing that, please. And yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, like I said, leave a like, do all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.
SS22, ZL1, sliding in a rainbow coupe. Saw your bitch, mouth drop, what it do? Worry about yourself, bitch, who the fuck is you? Take it to the tree, tent like